So if you're like me, you have a bunch of older 18-volt power tools. Particularly, I have a bunch of Makita power tools from, I don't know, 15, 20 years ago. And the batteries are just junk on them. They don't last. I have started transitioning to M18 Milwaukee stuff, but I haven't replaced all my old Makita tools yet. So I was using a Makita circular saw earlier, and the battery would get me about 6 inches worth of cut. So I figured, okay, gotta be something I can do to get an M18 battery in there. So I took a battery apart, soldered some leads onto the output here, and the plan is basically hook an M18 battery up into this Makita 18-volt tool. Let's see how it goes. All right, here's the basic setup. You can see I got my leads coming from up there. Just use some male spade connectors to go into the battery output terminals here. For right now, I'm probably just going to electrical tape the battery to the old Makita housing. Eventually, I'll probably make some standoffs with some screws to actually secure it in there a little better. But for right now, it'll at least get me through the rest of this project.